share, comment and follow. So guys, the Helen Suzman Foundation has filed a court application to suspend the arrest or deportation of Zimbabwe Exemption Permits ZEP holders pending an appeal by South Africa's Home Affairs Minister Motsoaledi. And so they wrote a statement here. The Helen Suzman Foundation has been compelled to bring an application in order to safeguard the integrity of the judgment finding that the termination of the Zimbabwe Exemption Permits ZEP was unlawful and invalid. The Minister of Home Affairs seeks now to appeal that judgment. In the ordinary course, the leave to appeal process suspends the operation of the underlying order. In this case, the risk arises that the expiry date of the ZEP could be run down by running out the appeal process, meaning that there would be no real relief to be granted ZEP holders if that is the court's ultimate determination. HSF approached the minister asking that he agree to observe the protections extended to ZEP holders pending the conclusion of the appeal process. This was refused. It is on this basis that HSF approaches the court. Shadow organizations now seek deliberately to misrepresent the HSF's application. Misrepresentations that began circulating online surprisingly less than 1 day after HSF had filed its papers with the parties. These deliberate misrepresentations are more than mischievous. They look to endanger the staff of HSF, of whom are South African. Even more sincerity, they provide a vivid demonstration of what The Economist magazine this week called paranoid nationalism, attempts to heap the blame for last week's devastating fire in Johannesburg city center, in which so many died and were injured, not on those truly responsible but absolutely on NGOs. No one should have to be reminded of the role that NGOs have played in this country in securing rights and fighting against corruption. Coordinated attempts to discredit NGOs and erode the public's trust through lies and misrepresentation are an attack on democracy itself. So guys, that's the latest here. In Zakatika last week and Joburg, whereby 76 people died. Yes, 76 people died and others were left injured per motoka baka in a building immigration. But the real issue here in kudepotwa kwe vanu and permits South Africa, yes, Zimbabweans with ZEP holders. There are some who are not yet applied for those permits. There are others who are still waiting for my waivers. There are others who are still waiting for those permits and they are still in processing. So remain in South Africa through the Ministry of Home Affairs. They are trying by all means to make sure that the judgment yakapaswa earlier this year the SA government regarding those permits ikwanise kuti overturn, so that December painopera once now kuapply nevaye vasati vaapply vokwanisa kudepotwa nekusungwa vodzorwa kuZimbabwe. So zviri kunzi aiwa we're gonna appeal again kucourt zvakare kuti tikwanise kumisa Minister of Home Affairs South Africa andika panyaya yekuti vanhu vadepotwe vane ZEP andika. So we'll be keeping you guys up to date here with the latest on weekly news roundup on Prince Mlanje TV. Vari kuti vanhu ngavambopiwa relief nevaye vasati vaapply andika. So guys, we'll be keeping you up to date here on a weekly news roundup on Prince Mlanje TV. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. Bless up.